was listening me. For this was in agitation and distraction. They will Biafra. Take me. I am not to Biafra, I am born again. I am not to Biafra, sitting in me for Biafra, they was listening me. I was not Biafra. I am not to Biafra, I am born again. I am not to Biafra, sitting in me for Biafra, they was listening me. I was not Biafra.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So we're back again in a video reaction. I just want you to hear what this woman said. I know many of you have listened to this. This audio is not new. And this is where she claimed that she's not interested in anything Biafra anymore. And Biafra is a distraction according to her. A lot of statement that this man have made, what she said in the past, is contradicting what she's saying now. Okay, and it's not as if she will say something and stand on that. This is somebody who wants to convince you on how to go about your freedom and having access on men on ground. Welcome back again. I just want you to like the video. Make sure you like the video, okay? And we are going to go deeper somehow on this particular issue, because some of you, maybe you have seen some of the audio, maybe you have not, but I'm going to play a few. I'm going to play a few here. And the reason is not because of anything, but I want you to understand the person that Ogenkere and the camp are using to propagate their agenda, and somehow they claim that she have wider audience. This will tell you that they don't even know when someone build negative followership. Like, people that follows you are just there to curse you. They are just there to mock you, to laugh at you, or to help you to understand, to understand your mess, or to help you to bring that your mess before you, so that since you claim that you are shameless, they're going to shame you with your word. Yeah, I'm not here to tell you that it is a bad thing, judging the attitude and her actions. So anything that she chooses to do, that is her own. That's her choice. And we are not going to, spread that kind of thing. You have to bring it the way it is. I have received some comments from some people telling me, oh, don't talk about her, forget about her, let's move forward. Even this evening, somebody said something like that, you should, on my comment section, you should focus on Nigeria, and don't focus on your people. Your own is to give me advice, isn't it? Why don't you come out and focus on Nigeria? If you want to tell me what to do and you are not doing anything, am I the only Biafran? Are you not the Biafran? You can also start up doing. You can start to do something from your own angle, even if you don't want to talk about. You don't want people to talk about indoor enemies, enablers, people who facilitate the downfall of the movement. You want to talk about Nigeria. The hands of Nigeria you're talking about couldn't have touched some Biafrans if not the insiders. I mean, the so-called people that you share the Biafra with them. They are the ones that are making the whole thing more easier. So talking about them is actually talking about Nigeria. Okay? And like I said, most of the things that people are going through isn't as if Nigerians are the one that, make up the idea and want to put it on you. Is even Biafran that are giving them that advice. Few weeks ago, we saw how Southeasterners were celebrating and jubilating that Southeastern governors and politicians, that Masakami should not be released. They were doing everything. They did everything to make sure that it's not going to take place. Political solution, they said, I don't believe in that. Remember, they had a meeting with the Tinubu's son, Sheyi Tinubu. I said that in I think one of our video a few days ago. I made mention of that. After the meeting, the conversation between Tinubu and Masakano siblings, that agreement, gentleman agreement, was turned to Abura agreement. Nobody obeyed it, and many people don't even know what transpired. But they started shouting and crying. These are people shouting, oh, hold man, Samanapa is a problem. Samanapa, you are not speaking for America, you are not speaking for IPP, you are not speaking for Biafran, you are not speaking for Igbos. You are committing crime, you are committing crime. Okay, that man is not here. What are you doing? Just like what you said. Everything was okay, Obato Bie Uda Committee, Obato Bie Odogu, Anungangambi. He deserved the accolade. I'm not here to tell you that he's not. But you calling these names, appreciating the good work of PM, now turning 360 degree to tell you that to downplay that thing that PM was doing. That's what fallback Republic are doing. That's what that is facilitating. Now let me just play this for you to hear. I don't know. Let me see where to start. I don't want to play the wrong one here. Okay, let's hear this.
What is going on? I'm going to know when we can't be allowed. I snatched the OS, Makuta. That's how we do control, command and control. The way I think will be good. When I say not I know. Oh, we're worse than DOS.
What we are hearing now is when Ada then was attacking autopilot, not even Biafran government Neza. Then she don't regard anybody. And yet she's talking for she's speaking for Biafra. It did not start today. She was busy attacking PM, then autopilot. The voice we are hearing now is another drama trying to push Ifyo Ubiko to come out and go toe to toe with PM. That how dare you to talk about Ifyo Ubiko like that? And you are telling Ifyo Ubiko you are insulting Ifyo Ubiko because PM suspended Ifyo Ubiko. These are the drama, shouting and ranting on behalf. It does not concern her. Okay, just here, just listen. Madam also Madam also can come about security. It sounds good, isn't it? Because PM, according to her, I'm not here to tell you that that's what PM said. I don't have the evidence on that. But let us follow her words. That PM told Madam Masoka that Masoka is the only person that will be in contact with the Eastern Security then. She just said Biafran Liberation Army. No, because then it was Eastern Security Network. After they decamped from camp of Chinasaworu and joined PM. Now, according to the story, is that PM allowed, from her story, not to the genuine story, okay, I don't know about this one, that PM allowed Madam Asoka to be in contact with, that she's the only one. PM was angry that Ifeobiko is advancing her contact to men on ground, trying to penetrate them, trying to talk to them. And PM was angry about that. This one was questioning PM. How dare you to allow Madam Masoka to be the only one in contact with them? Why not Ifeobiko? This to tell you that she had been in a queue, in line, a queue in a line like turn by turn to have access to men on ground. Now that she's talking because she criticized PM and Madam Masoka then for having access to men on ground. You, another Rama that is now in contact, that bragging that you are speaking with him in angels and were angels. Are you a military officer? What do you know about security then? You judging by your own statement. Let me take it back again so that you correct the thought, because I have few clips to play for you to know the kind of person she is. This video is all about that. Okay, so if you are one of those who don't want to talk about it, or don't want to hear anything about it, you can exit. But the only thing I want you to understand is that you cannot talk about the sickness without, we cannot talk about the symptom of the sickness without talking about the disease itself that lead to that symptom. So we are here to talk about the disease, not the symptom. And I know those about Simon Ekpa, no regard. The same tone that she using now to address Ngozi person. Oh, how you, she always fights you at the beginning. This is her trademark. And for some of you who don't understand what she represents, this is why I said if you are following her, you're on your own. I'm not here to tell you don't follow anybody. It is your choice, but understand what you are doing. That's my own. Even if have you seen me have you seen me in any of my videos telling you no, don't contribute money to Ogenkere? I don't say that. You know why? Because your money is your money. I'm not in position to tell you how to spend your money or who to follow. But to tell you the truth, because we are all adults, so you can now take a decision. I don't want tomorrow somebody will say, "Oh, carry report. You are the one that said I should." No, I did not tell you anything. What I'm telling you is what is playing out. If you put your ear on the ground, if you want to understand, you can hear. You can hear the sound. You can see the evidences. You can even touch it if you want. Just all you need is to devote your time, do little research, and you can see it. But if you don't have the time, we are here to help you to see it through. But if you don't want to listen to us, go and do your own assignment, and you'll be the one to do your final judgment. I'm not here to judge for you. My own is to expose things for you to understand what is going on. Then the choice is yours.
When this woman, what's not so sick, and the kids have to go to what network with that contact. For what? Madam Azuka, or when I tell you that, I mean, Madam Azuka didn't come up with that security. Now we won't my kind of this. You know, as long as my kind of jackal. Say more. Even they would tell that they know everything about this woman. Only make of an eye all the time. 24 hours you're seeing the colors of this woman.
You see the same, just connect. I want your brain, your sense begin to connect to the voice of this man each time she want to talk about Ngozi Rabeze. Yes, the same tone, like Ngozi Rabeze. You can see the aggressiveness, no respect, no regard, until PM begin to put things beyond her expectation. She started pretending some respect, like some package of respect, which is under pretense, waiting for a time to strike. That is why she told you that now that PM is not here, that this is the right time to show you why I joined the struggle. According to her, I have played that video so many times here on this platform. Here another clip. Now, before you listen to this one, let me tell you what the clip is all about. She is here pushing Ifeoma Biko to come out publicly to wage war against PM. Then, when Ifeoma Biko did what she just did, now the PM is, she have done the same thing now, trying to advance their contact to men on ground, to have access to men on ground by fire by force, in the name of we are here to represent. Listen. Not Palafagana A. Not A, not A. Palafagana A. Now listen, that is to tell you she don't want anybody to talk about her on air. Why? Because she felt that she's been insulted. She was advising for people to come out. Not Palafagana on A. Not Palafagana on A. Give Pota. Not Palafagana on A. On A, I always say A. On A. Listen again so you can connect the dots. PM that told when he expelled Ifeoma Biko. I think that it's not even expelled. I think that was suspension, something like that. But this woman was fighting behind the scene, telling you people to come out, come and disrespect this other. So some of you that are surprised that she did what she did after her suspension. Many of us don't even know what happened after they suspended her. What she did in the cabinet, according to the story, is unheard of. And I'm not here to talk about it because let me just ignore that one now. Because I'm not a member of the cabinet until that kind of thing is on social media, then we can go deep on that. But the only thing I want you to understand is that she did not start today. This is who she is. That's not the fact. Forget about is a lie. That can't tag me myself because she using force, using that to force false information on people, lying and pretending that she represents Indian Bananega. There's nothing like that. Nothing at all. Indian Bananega, I'm not going to.
I thank God. This stupid group. Without any stupid group.
The same, I cannot give you a chance. She thought that she's more important than PM and anybody in autopilot then. The same push. That's why, to me, I felt that PM made some mistakes. Maybe he did not listen to this part. But if I thought that, I believe that PM will have access to this, but he just want to give them benefit because this woman is very, very manipulative. If she want to apologize, she will act as if she's down to earth. That is the problem. For Fallback Republic, now that she's with you and you are contemplating on forgiving her and all that thing, my prayer to you is that you forgive her so that she would continue looking but that she can never ever change. That is not the fact. But the only person that understands who she is in Fallback group is one person only. Okay. I don't think okay do. Sona Barawa is the one that know who this woman is. And let me just leave it there. Sonny is the only person that I can beat my chest and say, Sonny will not give her breathing space to do that. But you see all these ones, that drama will just sit on them and use them and say and awag even sibons na gente. Group never rubber. It's alright. Now, funny enough, the Madagascar that she's talking about is somehow indirectly with Ogekerena. I did not say directly, I said indirectly. So let me leave it there. The woman I don't know that is doing what she's doing now is there for a reason. Many of you is aware of what I'm talking about, but you are aware of it. But like I said, let's focus on Ada and the whatever. Let us focus on her. You can see the level of the attack on PM. Then I'm not talking about now. So many people, because I've seen some people say, other than what you have done in this drug, what you have, your contribution. Look at this is part of the contribution. This one is part of it because PM just keep quiet and all over and everything.
This kind of thing unfold. But I mean, if this kind of thing, I can die. Then I get too much. I prefer it too much.
In Ania, Otro Babu Biafra. Now, go again. Just listen. It is better than I can't fly than I can these people. Now she's done within the flag literally. Listen. Did you hear? I hope you received everything, right? Did you hear that part, right? You got it clear. Okay. Now let us move to another thing. This is another ram again. Let me tell you before we move to this one. You know, when she talked about Ifeobugo here, when she was trying to convince her to do what she wants, to tell her, to remind her that look, you are innocent, you did not do anything wrong, you are right to do whatever you wish. After saying that, do you know that this one turned back and begin to attack Ifeobugo? The fact, even at this moment, Ifeobugo and this man are still fighting. She fought Ifeobugo like never before. But this is message she sent to Ifeobugo behind the scene. Now here, they hear this one.
I disagree.
Now listen.
True. Susu wo say gba mu wa dan dem bona ndegre so mo genkele ma so batobie I disagree. I can never follow him. Osugbo no batobie was that no could leave my voice in ourselves. Obatobie say adandi wo no genkele batobie.
Hold on. Ya no go the voice say batobie. Or say adandi wo no genkele go the best. Mega see am back. You know what? Let me start from the beginning. So that I want you to sink in your mind. Hear this again.
True. Obatobie susu wo say gba mu wa dan dem bona ndegre so mo genkele ma so batobie I disagree. I can never follow him.
Okay.
Osugbo no batobie was that no could leave my voice in ourselves. Obatobie say adandi wo no
now no could my voice how I first. Listen. No go na voice how I first. Now voice how I that this was the time that it was rumored that these people were building AI voice of PM to convince people. She's aware. That's why she's told you here. Not Obugo the voice of Batobi. No. If Obugo na could do my voice how I serve. You get the point. Let me take it back. So you understand it.
I disagree. I can never follow him.
Again.
Osugbo no batobie was that no could leave my voice in ourselves.
Now no good my voice how I first serve. Obugo na no good my voice how I first. Also not first. No no voice how I serve. Meaning that now voice and on that voice that they are rumoring that they are building. They are no good herself that she's not going back. Upon I am going to voice over Tobia. It's a two different thing. This AI we're talking about is they are the one she had intel before anybody. Even the Sia was the one that said it publicly. But being that her mind and her ear have been fed with that information, she made this comment. You cannot say I'm going to voice how PM is not how. You get it? PM is not how. Now this is why. Listen.
Osugbo no batobie was that no could leave my voice in ourselves.
You know,
Obatobie say adandi wo no genkele ma say batobie italia. Okay. Never.
Okay.
Or take go to 20 years. I'm waiting for that 20 years.
Okay.
Or take 30 years. I'll go wait for that 30 years. This is me. I did my own put down
Oh, that we are she don't go back to her vomit. That's what he said in Igbo language. She cannot vomit, go back to her vomit. She cannot vomit something and go back to that. Now listen.
I don't do that. And I'm standing on my tools and down one is so bank. Now even this one.
Nah, the social media is bad. Okay, listen.
This idiot to feel that no but what this who could have Biafrans here. Oge nkele gwara anyị that na ọbata obie a communicate onye nwe onye izi pụtara gwa Biafrans that na ọbata obie njidego phone. Onye nwe onye gwara anyị na ọbata obie.
This is this woman trying to counter the information because what they get before they go to they get hold of her, they have made some series of attempt on trying to deceive Biafran that we heard from PM said that you guys will fall back, creating that just like the US in the past. Okay, I know some of you have forgotten this that when we pass this stage. Okay, was telling Biafra that I heard from PM said that you should fall back, that you should stand strong, that he don't know any other government apart from breaking. That was the message of Ogekere. You hear that? This is her reaction. I don't know, reacting to that. Throwing some questions that she couldn't handle now when she started standing, now that she sounded the same way that the Ogekere is standing in this video. This life no balance, especially those who are wired the way that is wired. Like people who don't know what is consistency is all about. They don't know about it, and they are eager to do or to fall back anytime, any day. Now hear this.
Oge nkele gwara anyị that na ọbata obie a communicate onye nwe onye izi pụtara gwa Biafrans that na ọbata obie njidego phone. Onye nwe onye gwara anyị na ọbata obie ji phone. That now he can communicate. In few days time that nine. Okay, ọbata obie ji phone. Why can't ọbata obie use that his phone? Oge nkele na program oge nkele. We Biafrans we know his voice. Oh, where's open and I look voice alụ maka ebe enyokwa the voice enyo. Eyi, aka ji enyo the voice enyo ụmụ ndị gboo anaghị enyo the voice. Maka na ndị na na-echekwa ndị oshi. I know them very, very well. Na na-ege ntị dị so toro na n'iyi.
To the government that he left, that he was fighting for before he was called. That is the Biafra Republic government in Ezra. Our Prime Minister said I should deliver this message to the Biafran people that he know nothing about the government that Ngozi Orabeze have formed, that he's not part of that government.
This is how far Ogekere went. Ogekere went to deceive Biafrans. Do you know, even me, I have forgotten this message. Okay, get it. You really tried. You have tried your best to be relevant. Unfortunately, every week, every day, every month, you are falling back. Truly, you guys say you fall back when you don't even fall back. You are just trying to search for your daily bread. But now, your action and your word is that truly pushing you backward. Hear this.
And he actually have some names that he mentioned.
Shut up. Ọbata obie gwara fa na gọọmenti our COS. Na ya nọ part of the government. Na enwere name o mention. And ọ chọbeghị mention that animal ka anyị na-take it step by step. So now all that na ọbata obie chọrọ ikwu okwu n'ifo ya emewo ebe oge nkele dị capable to see ọbata obie achọ isetụrụ okwu ifo ọbata obie ya emewo o ya akpọ meeting otu ahụ o si wee nọ utu oge nkele o ya akpọ chief of staff maka ya na anaghị eso okwu n'unu na ahụ Biafrans you people to open emepe n'anya ụlọ then o mee meeting with them to about what is going on, why this thing did like this. No. So ndị o mere nke o bidoro n'ọjọọ itie anyị na oge ọbata obie bụ ukwu enemi including mmụọ nwaada ndị mbụ na ndị ege ukwu enemi ya ọbata obie oje na-eme nnọọ mitin onwe ndị ọzọ sọsọ oge nkele na grupu ka o ji emechazi ezizi oge nkele bịazie bịara program zizie anyị ụlọ na-akọneti be adị dọt ka ụlọ anaghị akọneti ụmụ ndị gboo ụlọ na-akọneti dị dọt ka ụlọ anaghị akọneti.
We are connecting it, ma. We are connecting it, ma. Continue. Okay. This is the end of the clip. Now listen. this this woman, the same woman, later turned 360 and begin to stand like okay. And she was telling you that PM called her that she received a message from PM. So PM, like you said, when okay was marketing her his own, PM don't have any access to another person. Only you are the one. You said here, Biafrans should open their eyes. That is what we are doing. Open our eyes. You see, evil thing, falsehood is always falsehood. You cannot market it like as if it is real and it won't last. It's a matter of time it will expose. That has happened. This woman decided to say herself one couple. Maybe she thought that when she when she made broadcast like this, that it will just that moment that people played it, it will end there. Only one time that I decided to go to her platform to pick one of just one video. I have not even finished that video until now. I felt like I am tired of it. If I get again, because I believe that people that brought this short clip now out did the same thing. Just go to her platform, search for her old videos. You will see it. It's not hidden. Because if she hid it, maybe it will affect her income. She understands it very well. I'm just saying, I'm not sure of that. So my people, this is the end of it. I just wanted to remember who is talking to you. Know the kind of person that is talking to you. No prestige, no honor, nothing whatsoever. She's just there. She's just there. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about what we discussed so far. God bless you. And bye bye for now. See you again. Take care.